Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership. Ask the previous owner to sign into iCloud on their device or provide consent. Once done, place the Airpods in their case and charge them to around 50%. This prevents interruptions during reset. Next, on the previous owner's iPhone, open Settings and tap their name to access Find My. Make sure you are on their iCloud account so removal succeeds. This is necessary because Find My ties the Airpods to that Apple ID and prevents transfer without it. You now remove the Airpods from the previous owner's Find My app. Once you select Remove this device, confirm removal. This severs the iCloud association. If Find My does not show the option, have the owner open Bluetooth and choose Forget this device to clear pairings. After removal, perform a hardware reset. With the lid open, press and hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED blinks amber then white. This ensures the Airpods exit their prior registered state so you can pair them. You finish by pairing the Airpods to your Apple ID. Open the lid next to your iPhone and follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Once paired, sign into your Apple ID and enable Find My so the device is protected under your account. If something goes wrong, make sure both the case and Airpods are fully charged and repeat the reset process. Additionally, confirm the previous owner completed removal from iCloud. If pairing still fails, ask the owner to double-check removal in their iCloud settings before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.